Hi again, everyone. So as promised, I'm back with the continuation of the batch analysis discussion, which is all about domain batch analysis and keyword batch analysis. So for this specific video, we'll be talking about keyword batch analysis. And as I have mentioned in the previous video, we will not be able to fully utilize this tool because of um, subscription restrictions. So because of the type of subscription that we have, we'll not be able to have full access to this one. However, instead of fully skipping it, I just want to like go through it and just give you all an idea on what it is about and what you can expect the tool to look like and what are the metrics that will be displayed or the results that will be displayed once you have full access to it. So for keyword batch analysis, basically what it does is to analyze keywords by batch. So from the term itself, it's very self-explanatory. So once you have a group of keywords, then instead of analyzing them one by one manually, then you can get them all up and input them in the system, and then the system will have the results corresponding to every keyword that you have placed in there. So here you have or if we have the full access to this, then this is what will appear on the screen. So the specific page, then as you can see here, this is a list of the keywords that or the batch of the keywords that will be analyzed. And then here we have keyword volume, cost, keyword difficulty, pay per click, and then results as well. So you can either change the database, maybe for google.com, or for us, it should be google.co.uk because we're based in the UK. So that is what you can expect from the keyword. So also clicking on the keyword will lead you to another type of page wherein you can get in-depth results about that specific keyword as well. So if this is something that you want to try for yourself, then definitely head on over to serpstat.com, create an account, and then also choose a subscription. Preferably, I think it should be light or higher so that you can access this tool. So before ending this video, I still want to give you a quick idea, of course, about what we have over here at Surface. So if you're curious about how Surface works, then there is a free guide here that can show you how we help agencies generate an additional thousands of dollars per month. And then if you want to find out how that works, then just leave your first name and then your email and then click on this find out how button. But of course, without forgetting to subscribe to our mailing list so that you can get updated, or you can get updates straight to your email. And then here we also have a tool that you can utilize or that you can take advantage of to get actionable free SEO audit in less than 37 seconds. So that's quick and easy and totally beneficial for you. So all you need to do is to just leave your information right here and click on this button so that you can get started on your service journey. So that is it for this specific video for today that we have prepared for you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, leave some comments if you have any, and also subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much again, and see you on the next one.